Hi, folks. Pat Gage here. And in the crash of 2008, my guest, Wednesday, July 28th at 7 p.m., Mike Murkowski let his guard down, like we all did, right? And he made some bad choices that resulted in Mike being charged with wire and mail fraud, which led to a 10-year prison sentence. Now, Mike used his time in prison to make a difference. He worked to receive his bachelor's degree. He worked in the prison ministry, did a lot of giving back to the community, both inside and outside the prison walls. He developed and taught Bible studies, ethics, real estate, and property management classes. So those days that you think that you have a tough day and you have you don't know whether you're going to get through things, think back in this, but please join me July 28th, 7 p.m. It's a Wednesday for our commercial real estate investing mastermind when Mike comes on and talks about this issue and this challenge in his life. He at that point he had owned $259 million in real estate. He'd raised $18 million in private equity. So he seemed on top of the world, right? And in 2008, made some bad choices. But Mike's resilience mindset helped turn things around, right? Now Mike is forced on helping, I guess I focused and not forced. It's a calling for him to focus on helping real estate owners and operators and other industry professionals make wise, responsible choices, kind of, leading where he, made his steps. So you can take somebody along with you like a coach. And that's what he does. He does real estate coaching as well. And we'll talk about that as well. But somebody who's been there, done that, but also can say, okay, wait a minute, there's a landmine. Don't do that. And I can tell you from experience in dealing with people like that, I would want those people instead of somebody saying, hey, yeah, go on ahead and tell me what happens. I'd rather have somebody say, listen, you're going to do this, this, and this. This is going to happen. And if this happens, you need to do this, this, and this. If you don't, you're going to lose this. So I'd rather have that type of person. So when I talked with Mike and I really connected with him, really awesomely. And I asked him to come on the show because I think, you guys deserve this. I think his message is so strong about resilience and those days that you have those tough choices to make, right? Or do I get out of bed? Do I get up early? Just think back and say, you know what? People out there have it tougher, right? Mike's comeback story will inspire you and open your eyes. Entrepreneurs are faced with tough decisions every day, right? Whether, just because we are entrepreneurs, or solopreneurs, we still have responsibilities. You still have to make those tough decisions. And like I said, July 28th at 7 p.m. Eastern, come and listen to Mike's story. Bring a pad of paper, bring some questions because we'll open it up for questions as well. And love to see you there. Again, the link's down below to see more details on Mike and to register for the Zoom call. You don't have to leave your house. You can sit in front of your computer and enjoy and soak it all in. And Mike is going to talk about a wide variety of things, from his, wild success to his speed bump, as we like to call it in life, right? But those lessons learned really craft who you are, and how you go through those difficult times really kind of goes to your core as far as who you are and how you handle those things. And then know that you can, whatever challenge you're facing right now, you can go through it because people have done, a lot worse, right? But please join me July 28th, 7 p.m. That's for the commercial real estate investing mastermind. And again, there'll be a link down below. And again, my name is Pat Gage, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks much.